How to delete all Instagram messages at once. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to delete all Instagram messages at once. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch your Instagram app on your device. The first step you have to do in order to delete all Instagram messages at once is to switch to your professional account. For that, tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. On the settings and activity page, scroll down and select the option for account type and tools under for professionals. And here tap switch to professional account button. Tap continue and follow the on-screen prompts. Here choose the category for your account and tap done button. Once you have done that, it will take up to 30 seconds. Now you have to choose whether you are creating a creator account or business. Once done, tap the next button. If you wish to share logins using Account Center, tap continue, otherwise tap not now. And here you have to set up your professional account. Once you have done that, you can easily reopen Instagram and successfully you have created your professional account. And once you do that, go back to the home page and tap the messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. And here you have seen the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now from this primary section, you can easily select the conversation that you want to delete all at once. And after that, tap the delete icon or button at bottom right corner of the screen. And your all the Instagram messages will be deleted at once. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.